What is EV battery swapping? Let's dive in and explain how it works. Most people think EV battery swapping is simply another type of EV charging. But ask whether battery swapping is actually charging, and you may get two completely different answers. Some will say yes, because the vehicle leaves with a fully charged battery. Others will say no, because no electricity is transferred into the vehicle during the stop. So which side is technically correct? You have seen robotic stations remove a depleted battery and install a charged one in just a few minutes. But how can a battery weighing hundreds of kilograms be removed safely? How does the vehicle recognize and accept a different battery? And could this 3-minute process eventually compete with ultra-fast charging? This is exactly the kind of confusion EV Zone exists to clear up. Stay with us as we break down how battery swapping really works, the technical system behind it, and the ownership trade-offs most people never hear about. In this episode, we will break down the following. Section 1, what battery swapping really is. Section 2, why battery swapping exists. Section 3, how battery swapping actually works. Section 4, the technical layer most people never talk about. Section 5, why battery swapping matters for EV owners. Section 6, limitations, misconceptions, and who benefits most. By the end of this video, you won't just know the term. You'll understand the entire system that makes battery swapping possible, why it works in some countries, why it struggles in others, and whether it could become part of the future of electric transport. This is episode 50 of the EV Basics What Is series. Let's break it down properly. Section 1. What is battery swapping? Battery swapping is a method of refueling an electric vehicle by physically removing its discharged battery pack and replacing it with another battery that has already been fully charged. Unlike conventional charging, electricity is not transferred into the battery while the vehicle is parked. Instead, the battery itself is exchanged. Think of it as replacing an empty gas cylinder with a full one rather than waiting for it to refill. This is where many people become confused. Battery swapping is not a faster charger. It doesn't make batteries charge quicker. It completely avoids charging the vehicle during the stop because the charging has already happened elsewhere. The charging process is separated from the vehicle. The driver leaves with a different battery than the one they arrived with. That makes battery swapping an entirely different energy delivery model rather than another charging technology. Section 2. Why battery swapping exists. Battery swapping was developed to solve one of the biggest challenges of electric vehicles: waiting. Even today's ultra-fast chargers usually require 15 to 30 minutes to add a significant amount of energy. For commercial vehicles, taxis, rideshare fleets, and delivery vans, every minute spent waiting is lost productivity. From an engineering perspective, charging batteries extremely quickly creates enormous electrical and thermal stress. Higher charging power requires larger grid connections, more expensive equipment, and greater cooling requirements. Battery swapping avoids those limitations. Instead of pushing massive amounts of electricity into one vehicle in a short time, batteries can be charged slowly under carefully controlled conditions while sitting inside the swapping station. This spreads electrical demand over time, improves battery management, and allows vehicles to return to service almost immediately. Section 3. How battery swapping actually works. The process begins when a compatible vehicle enters an automated battery swap station. Cameras, sensors, and positioning systems align the vehicle with high precision so the battery can be safely removed. Once the vehicle is correctly positioned, robotic equipment unlocks the battery pack from underneath the vehicle. Electrical connectors, cooling lines where applicable, and communication interfaces are safely disconnected before the depleted battery is lowered out of the car. The station then selects a fully charged battery that has already passed health checks and thermal inspections. The replacement battery is lifted into position, mechanically secured, electrically connected, and verified by the vehicle's battery management system before the driver is cleared to leave. Meanwhile, the removed battery remains at the station. It is inspected, cooled if necessary, slowly recharged under controlled conditions, tested again, and then placed back into storage ready for another vehicle. Rather than vehicles waiting for batteries, batteries wait for vehicles. Section 4. The technical layer most people never talk about. The biggest technical challenge is not the robotics. It is standardization. For battery swapping to work, every compatible vehicle must use the same battery dimensions, mounting points, electrical connectors, communication protocols, and safety systems. Even small design differences between manufacturers can make swapping impossible. The battery management system also plays a critical role. Before accepting a replacement battery, the vehicle verifies its identity, state of charge, temperature, voltage balance, and overall health. If any parameter falls outside safe operating limits, the swap is rejected. Because charging occurs outside the vehicle, the station can optimize battery care by controlling charging speed, battery temperature, and charging schedules. Slower, carefully managed charging generally places less stress on lithium-ion cells than repeated ultra-high power charging, helping reduce heat generation and potentially extending battery life. This means the battery swapping station functions as both an automated warehouse and an intelligent battery management facility rather than simply a place to exchange batteries. Section 5. Why battery swapping matters for EV owners. For drivers who spend all day on the road, battery swapping can dramatically reduce downtime because the vehicle returns to service within minutes instead of waiting for a recharge. For most private owners, however, the advantage depends entirely on whether compatible swap stations exist nearby. Without a supporting network and compatible vehicles, conventional charging remains the more practical option. Section 6. Limitations, misconceptions, and who benefits most. A common misconception is that battery swapping will replace charging everywhere. In reality, swapping and charging solve different problems. Battery swapping requires specially designed vehicles, standardized battery packs, and an extensive station network, making it difficult to deploy universally. Battery swapping delivers the greatest benefit for commercial fleets, taxis, and drivers who place a high value on minimizing downtime. For many everyday EV owners who charge at home overnight, traditional charging continues to be the simpler and more economical solution. Your thoughts? Before watching this video, did you think battery swapping was simply another form of fast charging? Would having a 3-minute battery swap station near your home make you choose an EV that supports battery swapping over one that relies only on conventional charging? Let us know in the comments. What's next? Now that you understand battery swapping, the next logical question is, what is an LFP battery? LFP batteries are becoming the chemistry of choice for many of today's most affordable electric vehicles. But why are so many manufacturers switching to them? Are they really cheaper because they're lower quality, or do they offer advantages that many EV buyers don't realize? In the next episode, we'll break down exactly how LFP batteries work, why they have become so popular, and the engineering trade-offs that make them very different from other lithium-ion battery chemistries. This is EV Zone, where we don't just define terms, we decode them properly. So, what do you think of this video? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share them in the comments section below. At EV Zone, we believe open discussions can lead to great discoveries. Here we consider both sides of the coin and welcome all viewpoints to explore new possibilities. In the search for greener driving options, we encourage our audience to join in and share their ideas. Each of us has unique creative contributions to offer. So if you have something to share, reach out to us and we'll make the video to share it with our audience. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the world of EVs. Whether you're an enthusiast or simply curious about the future of transportation, stay tuned for more exciting content on EV Zone. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video to support our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.